Hi, namaste. Welcome to my channel. I am Girija, and today we are diving deep into what November is getting for us. All right, so before we check our options, let me wish everybody a very, very, very happy Diwali and also I wish so much of love, laughter, prosperity, abundance, and best of your health for this month onwards. So let us check what our groups are. So group number one is the card of co-create with black obsidian. So either you can choose through the card or by choosing the crystal. Next is serendipity with carnelian, and third group is blessed with citrine. So these three are your options. You can choose one or more than one group. And yes, please do remember all these are generalized readings, and to book a personal reading, all the details are in the description box as well as the timestamps. And yes, take only what resonates and leave the rest, because many people do watch and like each and everything may not get associated or resonated with your particular situation. So here I also have this deck through which I will be having extra information or insights, and also I will be scrying through this clear chords. All right. So yes, I will see you other side. Let's see what November is bringing for all of us. Hi, group number one. Welcome to your group. Welcome to your reading. People, those who have got attracted to this card, co-create, and the black obsidian. All right, before looking into your cards, what I am sensing very, very strong that you in this month of November, you are expecting or you are actually receiving something concrete, something solid in your reality, because I am seeing like co-create is actually creating something in your reality. So maybe since last few months or since last few weeks you are working on an idea, and now that is coming into fruition, that is coming into like physical reality. All right, and also I am seeing like your foundation, your basics are getting very, very strong with this black obsidian. All right, so yes, let us see into these few oracle cards what is coming through for you. All right. All right, yes. So, starting with this, with your major energies, the hangman energy. Hangman energy is the energy of stillness, it is the energy of willingly waiting and pausing for a while so that you are in a better position to receive, to attract whatever you are wanting to have. Most of you are creating something with regards to your profession and with regards to your money. So it could be starting or developing your business, it could be changing your job, or it could be something with regards to profession or money. Many of you might be thinking about changing your profession as well. All right, and whatever it is, the guidance that is coming through is to wait, postpone, pause, or say no. It will be very different for each one of you, because even the hangman is guiding you to wait for some time. Take that pause, take that break in whatever you are doing. And I am also getting the guidance that you are being guided to have the trust in the process of the situation, because I am seeing maybe a few of you are tired of waiting on something or for someone. All right, and also your major purpose is to have this balance and to have this love filled energy where your you are a light worker who has come to earth to teach about love. All right. So with this card, I am seeing that you have gone through a lot of up and down in the recent times, especially with regards to your profession and money, and now you are getting that phase of taking a break from all that hustle and bustle that you might have experienced, and this is the break time which is very very essential so that you can co-create something. So with the co-creation card, I also get the vibe that maybe you are wanting to have something into your something in partnership, or there could be someone who is investing in your project and you are the person who is leading that project. I'm seeing that kind of vibe, and also the guidance is coming through with the innocence card. I am getting this very strong vibe that this break is required for you to do some kind of homework, because maybe in whatever new that you are starting or that you are thinking about, you need to do some kind of homework, some kind of footwork for that particular thing. And November is the month that will be very very crucial for you to have this homework that you can do. And yes, if you are confused about something, or if you are not very sure about something, to take the project or to take that job, or maybe if you are inquiring about the relationship, this particular thing is, for few of you, it is no, like the answer is no, and for few of you it is to wait or to postpone if you are wanting to take any major decisions with regards to that particular thing, that particular person. All right. So let us check like what are the clarifiers for this particular energy. All right. So your particular group, like group number one, major things I am seeing for you, that is like evolving or rotating around some kind of decision making, as well as like there is money aspect that is very highlighted over here. I am seeing that in this month of November, you are coming in the Emperor's position, where you are having this long-term vision or long-term idea, which you may want to bring into your reality. All right. So at present, like the entire glimpse of this reading is to pause, to wait for some time, so that things are unfolding for you organically, so that you are having a clear picture, and also to have some clarity about the entire situation that you are willing to you know to have. So major month for profession, for career, and in money matters. All right. So let us see what clear chords like this crystal is guiding us. I am very much sensing that someone in your close circle has backed off from something. Maybe it could be a project, it could be a business that you were working together, and that person has suddenly, like, you can feel the resistance towards participating in that particular thing. Or even if in the love relationship, you might be experiencing that kind of resistance from that person, where they are not very much sure to stay in the relationship or no. So please do take whatever is resonating. It could happen that none of these things are resonating with you, so please do not try to fit in that frame. I am seeing a business trip, a professional trip where you are traveling for your work, you are traveling for some kind of project, and it's a like short term but frequent tours that I am seeing for you. Be very very careful with your documents, with your maybe passport, visas, such documents I'm seeing, because I'm seeing like a blur vision where there are some possibilities that you might misplace these documents. And I'm also seeing for few of you, if you have misplaced anything important, November could be the month where you are suddenly getting this lost items in your yeah, like you are getting those lost items is what I'm getting very very strong. All right, this is all I have for group number one. Hope it resonated with you. So please enjoy the break that you are guided to take. And yes, you will be, I'm seeing that second half of the November, you will be back with the bang. All right. So, yes, thank you so much for being here. God bless you. Hi, group number two. Hope you all are doing well. Welcome to your reading. So, people, those who have got attracted to Carnelian and this card, Serendipity. So, let us just check what is coming through. I am listening into my ears that a tough cycle is completing for you. A tough cycle is completing for you. Also, this number 18, which comes down to number 9, you are completing something very, very major and you are freeing yourself. All right. You will be experiencing a great sense of freedom in this month of November, is what I am getting very, very strong. So let us check our other cards and just see what is coming through for you in this month of November. Guys, I am with the cards. I am just seeing you are packing your bags and you are traveling. All right. So with the card, the Chariot and the Retreat. All right. So for few of you, it is like physical travel. You might be planning a vacation or you might be just traveling. For a few of you, it also could be change of residence, like physically you are changing the place. And also for a few of you, I'm seeing you are traveling internally. You are having some spiritual practices which through which you are changing your vibe. You are consciously trying to change your reality. And also I'm seeing for few of you there are certain cosmic downloads, those are happening for you. So in this month of November, there are very high chances that you might experience certain ascension symptoms. It could be certain like sudden physical pain, it could be heaviness in your head or tingling sensations in your body, because I'm seeing here the crown chakra as well as the third eye chakra. Both these chakras are higher chakras, and there is some kind of spiritual evolvement that is taking place for you. And also with the serendipity card, like you are rising higher and higher in your vibe. That is what I can sense. For few of you, this the cycle that I'm saying that you are completing, that is the for many of you it is the energy of sorrow, it is the energy of sadness that you are getting out of. And this is how the cycle from sorrow to serendipity, like rising higher in your consciousness, rising higher in your energies. Also the age of light, you have been training for this for lifetime. Beautiful card. This card also tells me that there are some downloads, those are having like taking place in your energy field. And with the crown chakra, it says Pay attention to your ideas as they are messages of true divine guidance sent in answer to your prayers. So it doesn't matter, like, even if you are working on some project or on your profession, and there are these fast ideas and insights that you are guided in your, like, through your dreams, or maybe just you might be getting certain visions, or just an idea that flunks into your head. So yes, I'm also seeing that you are also guided to take certain actions. All right. So it could be the smallest insight that suddenly you might be feeling to wear, like, blue color. I'm wearing blue or maybe white color. So these are small hints and guidances that you get from the universe. All right. So, like, everything is energy, and universe is putting you into the alignment so that you are in your highest and best alignment. So yes, this is what I'm getting. So let's pull certain cards. I am seeing like very spiritually drawn kind of energies over here. All right, Six of Swords has just flung out. So again, the travel. So it could be a physical travel, it could be an mental, emotional, spiritual travel that you are experiencing. Maybe you are coming out of certain situations in which you might have got stuck for a very long time. For few of you, I'm seeing an toxic relationship. It's not necessary to be an love or romance kind of situation, but I'm seeing some kind of toxic situations that you are coming out of, and you are retreating, you are traveling away from that situation. Yes, you were in this situation. All right, and now you are moving away from this particular toxic indecision or very confused kind of a state. I'm seeing there are high chances that there is some individual who might be draining away your energy, and you are consciously moving away from that particular energy. Yes, it was not good for you. Seven of Swords, manipulation, mind games, and all that kind of vibes that I'm getting. So you are, like, literally breaking that pattern. You are also, you can see a sword or a weapon kind of thing with the Justice card and with the Page of Wands card. I'm seeing that you are, like, getting back into your energies. You are breaking all those patterns, you are ending that cycles, you have learned your virtues, and now you are ready to plunge ahead. So finally, your, like, similar vibes, you are just moving away, you are just into your own world, into your higher vibes, is what I am getting through very strong. So let us check, like, what the crystal guidance is coming through. I am seeing a beautiful family gathering that is happening for you, where there are like, close family members, relatives, family function kind of thing, or just a get together, and, like, just people are giggling and mingling around, and a very beautiful scenario. So if you have any such gathering that is coming through, please do attend. For few of you, I am seeing an marriage proposal which is coming through in this gathering, in this get together, where some relative or some family friend is suggesting you, or you are meeting someone in this kind of scenario. Please do let me know if you are experiencing such kind of thing. Okay, I'm just listening very strong that be very careful about what you are eating, especially in the get-togethers, like, where huge amount of food is being served. If intuitively, if you feel that you should not have a particular thing, then please don't have it, because it's the intuitive guidance that you are getting to avoid that particular thing. I am seeing a beautiful color red for this particular group. So please do take however it is resonating. Maybe you are getting more attracted towards the red color. All right. For few of you, I'm getting flowers. You might receive flowers. You might love flowers. Suddenly, you are getting very, very attracted towards flowers all around. You might be seeing a flower picture. You might be having a wallpaper of a flower, or something with regards to flowers. Yes. All right. Group number two. Hope you enjoyed this reading. You do let me know how it has resonated with you. And yes, have an amazing time. Thank you so much for being here. Hi, group number three. Hope you all are doing very, very well. People, those who have got attracted to this beautiful card, blessed with the combination of citrine. So before I was starting with your group, I was very, very thirsty. I have drank a lot of water. So maybe this is the guidance for you that you need to increase your water intake. This is what I'm getting very, very strong. All right. So let us, before checking your cards, let us see like what this card is giving the insights. This card has beautiful stars on it, and I'm seeing that you are coming into that stardom. There is major like some kind of recognition, some kind of appraisal that you will be experiencing, some kind of victory, and you are coming like a very bright star. All right. And like with this card, I'm seeing that you are very cool with the entire experience. All right. And people around you, they are very happy, and they are like, praising you about your victory. And like you are in the situation, your attitude maybe is like, yes, very cool and very grounded kind of vibe I'm getting. So I'm seeing for few of you, you are in such a position that all these external things, it doesn't like motivates you. You are the way you are is what I'm listening. All right. So your attitude is like that, your vibe is like that, like whatever it is what it is. All right. So let us see what is coming through, what adventure you are taking. See this beautiful colors this card has. I love this card. Just see, you are ready to walk alone. You are ready. Like I'm seeing this. I haven't opened other cards, but I'm seeing this vibe that I don't care what others say. I don't care what the trend is going, and I am like, I know what I am. I don't need any external validation. That is the vibe that I'm getting. All right. So with this card, maybe with adventure, you are trying something new in this month of November, which is out of out of the way. Like nobody or even you yourself, you haven't expected that you will be doing this. That is so nice. See, get grounded. Empaths, highly sensitives, connect with nature. So I am getting the vibe that you are already grounded. This is the validation for you. All right. So yes, for group number two, I guess about flowers. All right. Group number three is also getting flowers. All right. So, yes, I'm seeing a beautiful alignment that is taking place for you. See, if you see this image, like this person has closed their eyes and they are just not bothered like what is happening around them, around this person. So you are in that vibe, like you don't care if anybody is coming or supporting you. You know what you are doing. All right. And overall vibe is the Hierophant card. Like these cards are very similar if you see. Okay. So I'm seeing a great sense of alignment that is coming through. Your physical, mental, emotional, spiritual, everything is aligning, and that is what is making you very very powerful. All right. And also I am seeing that you are just enjoying your time with the laughter. In this particular month, I see that you are meeting people, you are meeting your friends, and overall a very very high vibes this particular group is carrying. Also with regards to your love and relationship, there is a lot of passion that is coming through. So even if you are single, you might meet someone like love at first sight kind of situation, and you are very attracted towards each other. Allow your heart and soul to sing with joy. So sing with joy, and this laughter cards are very much resonating. So I am seeing very strongly that maybe you are attracting your soulmate or your soul tribe, uh, uh, with whom you get very fond of such people, and like you very well you can count on those people. So that is the vibe that I'm getting through. And here the card says fairies. You have a strong bond with fairies, and your life purpose involves helping mother nature. All right. So with like maybe you are in such a profession which has something to do with regards to our planet. There could be some maybe you are attracted to some kind of healings. All right. Or also you could be in some profession where you work for uplifting the humanity, that kind of vibe that I'm getting. I am also sensing that this particular group is in a lot of like charity work. That is the vibe that I'm getting. And I'm also getting a very abundant kind of vibe. So it doesn't matter like what financial status you have, but emotionally I'm seeing a very fulfilling vibe from this particular group. And also with get grounded card, there are high chances that you are planning to start with the meditations or some kind of healing stuff. You are getting evolved. So let us check with these cards like some clarifiers that I would like to have for you. You might be also sensing 2222 numbers. Here I have 22. So 222, that is the connection. 222, yeah, 4 times 2. Someone here likes to dance is what I'm listening. So if you get back into dancing, like you will be very uplifted. You are oh wow. Guys, what are you up to? Group number 3, amazing energies. Ace of Pentacles, starting something new, like a rock solid strong project which will give you a lot of abundance. Starting something new with the Fool card, which is giving you not only monetary benefits but also a mental, emotional, spiritual fulfillment with that particular thing that you are trying to do. And a lot of abundance that is coming through, lot of creativity. You are putting all your actions, also you could be investing so that your money is multiplying, so that your abundance is multiplying. I am seeing you sitting in a beautiful with this card I'm seeing maybe your house or maybe your workspace is very high vibe. You have very classy kind of interiors. All right. And you don't shy off from spending on beautiful interiors as well as luxurious things. You could be having certain liking, or maybe as a hobby you like to maybe have antiques. You like metal is what I'm seeing. Very very strong earthy signs I'm seeing. Virgo, Capricorn, and Taurus vibes. All right. So yes, coming back to this thing, I'm seeing a lot of communication that is going to take place in this month of November. So if, for example, if you are attracting this passionate, this passionate, new beginnings. All right. And if you are searching your queen, you are attracting this queen. And if you are a queen waiting for the king, you are attracting your counterpart, is what I'm getting very, very strong. And if you are starting with this particular relationship, there is a lot of communication that is coming through, especially through internet messages, emails, and all that kind of things. Okay, there will be a lot of good times together, very like, I'm getting a very intellectual vibe from this particular group. Also, you will be in a great alignment with each other. The person you are attracting, that is your soul tribe, your yes, soulmate. All right. So let me just check if I get anything in this crystal for you. I'm seeing a beautiful ocean. I'm getting a message to give it to you, that I'm seeing few of you have this habit of drinking, like drinking alcohol. All right. So maybe in the month of November, the guidance is coming through either to reduce it if you are taking it more, or maybe you are divinely guided to cut off certain these kind of things from your intake, from your diet. I am listening something on the terms of farmhouse. So maybe you have a farmhouse where you are traveling and spending an amazing family time or with friends, or maybe you are planning to make a beautiful farmhouse with beautiful interiors. All right. I am seeing a figure of star. All right. So this is, that is like interpreted like you are shining star. So you are shining, you are standing out from the group. All right. For few of you, I am listening that maybe your ex-partner or a friend who is contacting you in the month of November, and which is very, very unexpected for you. So I don't know, it's a good or bad news. Like it will be very different for each one of us. So please do take however it goes. Do let me know how much it has resonated with you. So yes, this is all I have for group number 3, and hope you enjoyed your reading. Thank you. God bless you.